In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this particle animation. I have 3 objects in the scene. This sphere is used to block the scene's environment light. The plane is used as an emitter, and it's emitting small spheres. I'll show you how they were created. Please subdivide the sphere, and add a black material with specular turned off. We'll need a particle mesh next. Let's shrink the size of the particles. The particle is going up, because I changed the scene's gravity setting like this. Let's adjust the velocity and randomize the particles, so they would scatter. Please use an emission shader for the particle mesh, and the black material for the plane. I'm using Eevee with bloom turned on. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.